हेलो एंड वेलकम टू द यूपीएससी थर्ड पार्ट। तो आज आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे खलीफत मूवमेंट के बारे में। हु viewed द खलीफत मूवमेंट एज द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंटीग्रेट हिंदू एंड मुस्लिम व्हिच विल नॉट अपेयर अगेंस्ट विद इन कमिंग 100। तो ये महात्मा गांधी की सोच थी और इसका अपोज बाल गंगाधर तिलक किए थे। In which city conference of 1922 was held assumed the leadership of the Mahatma Gandhi? तो इलाहाबाद में। Why did the Mahatma Gandhi support खलीफत मूवमेंट? तो इसके लिए खलीफत मूवमेंट को सपोर्ट किए थे तो महात्मा गांधी वांट टू विन सपोर्ट ऑफ द इंडियन मुस्लिम अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश। तो सही है। Which event served as the catalyst for the खलीफत मूवमेंट? तो ये हो गया द ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्साइल। Non-cooperation movement. It is the first instance of the organized non-cooperation movement around the territory of the Indian farmers. तो वो था बिहार एंड बंगाल। The non-cooperation movement was started in 1920. Gandhi launched non-cooperation movement in 1920. After which incident Mahatma Gandhi called non-cooperation movement as a Himalayan blunder. तो ये था चौड़ा चौड़ी कांड के बाद। Due to the which of the event Mahatma Gandhi halted the non-cooperation movement during चौड़ा चौड़ी जो 1922 में हुआ था। 5 मार्च 1922 को हुआ था। March 1922 indicates the sequence of the following: police firing at चौड़ा चौड़ी, police set fired by volunteer crowd। तो उसका होगा पहला, दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा। In which state चौड़ा चौड़ी belong? उत्तर प्रदेश। Regarding the non-cooperation movement, which of the following is the Justice Party of Madras also boycott the council election? नहीं, वो पार्टिसिपेट किया था। फिर उसके बाद 1000 of students left गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल स्कूल हेड मास्टर एंड रॉय भी प्रैक्टिस। हाँ बिल्कुल सही है। तो तीसरा तुमने होने से रहा, पहला दूसरा हमारी है। Which of the following statement regarding the Indian freedom struggle is not correct? तो महात्मा गांधी जैसे 1921 में नहीं, 1922 में, मार्च 1922 में महात्मा गांधी को अरेस्ट कर लिया गया था 4 फरवरी को। स्वराज पार्टी। What was the purpose of the C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru to form the Swaraj Party within the Congress? To participate in the election council. Swaraj Party was formed by the following failure of the non-cooperation movement. Swaraj Party was formed by the failure of the non-cooperation movement. Who founded the Swaraj? The Gandhi and Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru. Who founded Swaraj Party in 1923? C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. In which year 1923 Swaraj Party was formed as a group of which of the following organization? Congress। और फिर 1924 के बेलग्राम सेशन में महात्मा गांधी जो थे इसको इंटीग्रल पार्ट मान लिए थे। The famous slogan Swaraj should be the for common people, not for the class. C.R. Das. Simon Commission 1927. Which commission accepted to dispense all political group not relevant? Simon Commission. Simon Commission visit India 1928. When was the formation of the Simon Commission announced? तो November 9, February 1927. Who was the Simon Commission appointed under the chairmanship of Sir John Simon? Nehru report was prepared by committee under the chairmanship of Motilal Nehru and constitutional arrangement in India. फिर लाहौर सेशन of proposal of independence. Remember once not a flag is unfurled, it is lowered as a single man who like area. Who said this? Jawaharlal Nehru in Lahore. The proposal of the Swaraj was initiated in Lahore session 1929. In which session Indian Congress was principle of complete independence about Lahore session 1929. In which session Indian Congress Swaraj resolution passed 1929. Which was the president of the Indian National Congress session in Lahore? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which day declared as the Swaraj Day by the Indian National Congress? 26 जनवरी 1930. Who gave the flag of independence in the Congress session 1929? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Civil disobedience movement. Dandi March was undertaken in 1930. For how many days did Gandhi march last? 24 दिन. Why did Mahatma Gandhi start civil disobedience movement in 1930? Sabarmati. 1930 महात्मा गांधी स्टार्ट civil disobedience movement from Dandi. Famous Dandi march led by Mahatma Gandhi during civil October by distance of 241 miles. Who was the unlimited goal of the Gandhi Cell Satyagraha? After the failure of civil disobedience movement, Gandhi gave the importance to the constructive program. Who organized the Khudi Night in 1920? अब्दुल गफार खान, जिसको फ्रंटियर गांधी भी बोलते थे, और 1963 में इनको भारत रत्न मिला था. रेड शर्ट. रेड शर्ट्स. Who organized Khudai Night in 1929? Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Who was known as Frontier Gandhi? Abdul Ghaffar Khan. The real name of the Frontier Gandhi is Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Gandhi Irving Pact signed 1931, 5 March 1931 को हुआ था. Who played the important role in Gandhi Irving Pact? Tej Bahadur Kapoor. In which year Gandhi Pact 1931? What is the important event leading up 5 March 1932? Gandhi Irving Pact was signed. The second roundtable conference in London was in the backdrop of Gandhi Irving Pact. The round conference, the first round conference was in London in Maulana Abdul Ali, who participated in all B.R. Ambedkar. The Indian National Congress did not take part in the visit of in number. On the beach of the second communal disbelief. What was the point of the difference between Dr. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi during the Dalit region? Separate voting for Dalit. Mahatma Gandhi returned India in 1931 in empty hand from London. Who was the Prime Minister of England at the time of the second round table? Ramsay MacDonald. Fifth Communal Award. पूना पैक्ट साइन होता है 24 दिसंबर 1932 को. A separate electrode was a common answer at the time of the 1944 untouched. How many seats? 74, 71, 747. The purpose of the Pune Pact was to provide representation of untouched. Congress Socialist Party 1934. Jayaprakash Narayan Dev. Party Jayaprakash Narayan associated with Congress Socialist, in which Congress Socialist from 1934 to 1957. The provision in Election Commission was under the Act 1935. Tripurari crisis. Who was elected the president of the Congress in 1938? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was the president of the Indian National Congress when Subhash Chandra Bose resigned? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Indian Legislation. The purpose of the Butler Committee to relation between the Indian and provincial councils. During the freedom struggle, parallel government launched in the Indian state rural Prajamandal movement. Who were the British Prime Minister of India during the Second War? Winston Churchill. Demands of Pakistan. Who wrote Now or Never? Rahmat Ali. Who raised the cry, the divide and quit? Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Who among the following lead the movement for the separate state of the Pakistan? Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Congress demanding for formation of the Pakistan passed by Muslim League in 1940. The day of the deliverance, 5 December 1939. When did Muslim League observe direct action day? 14 August 1946. Whom did Rajendra Prasad is the father of the Pakistan? Lord Mountbatten. The Muslim, if concerned and satisfied, would have a great bulwark of the British power. Who wrote with W. Hunter? Individual Satyagraha. In 19 Vinod Bhabhe started individual Satyagraha from Panghar, Maharashtra. Who was the first Satyagrahi? Vinod Bhabhe. Who was the third Satyagrahi? Brahman Dutt. Who started civil disobedience movement? Vinod Bhabhe. Cripps Mission 1942 was arrived in 23 March 1942. The offer of the creeps really give us nothing. If we accept the offer, the future of who would prefer for the post outdated check Mahatma Gandhi. Quit India movement. Quit India movement was begun in 9 August 1942. Quit resolution 8 August 1942. After the passing resolution, Quit India movement, Gandhiji was arrested in Yarwada jail. Aga Khan also. 6 July 1942, the working committee of the Congress, Mahatma Gandhi discussed for first time Quit India policy. President of the Congress is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. We shall either free or die in attempt to get with Mahatma Gandhi. अगस्त क्रांति के नाम में बोले थे. क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट was led by the none of them. Who slogan do or die? Quit India movement. Who slogan do or die? Mahatma Gandhi during Quit India movement. 8 August 1914 to information for Quit India movement. The Prime Minister of England during the Quit India movement was Churchill, who launched the secret radio Samhita. Which of the following most Bihar and Bengal पहला चौथा. All India Azad Rasta at Bakri Tapu was organized during the movement by Jayaprakash Narayan. राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक दल was separate from the Quit India movement and instituted to say it how the freedom of the India would be delayed due to this movement. ही गलत है. C number. During Quit India movement, a parallel national government established in which of the following is not correct. परती सरकार सतारा सही है. प्रजामंडल तालचेर. जतीय सरकार कामू. तृतीय सरकार खेड़ा. गलत. चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट पार्ट में.